This video tutorial is on how to access the Lindsey Wilson Library databases. I will show you how to access these databases from any computer. Using Google, type Lindsey Wilson LibGuides in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link for Lindsey Wilson LibGuides. On the right side of the browser, there is the A to Z database list. Click on Go to All Databases. This is our database page. We provide access to over 80 databases. To access any of them, simply scroll down to the one you need and click on it. Now this step is very important. You need to log in with your MyLWC account before you can access the databases. This step verifies that you are a Lindsey student, staff, or faculty member and grants you access. Simply enter your MyLWC email and password and click Sign In. Now you can perform your search using the selected database by entering your search criteria in the search bar. That is how you access the Lindsey Wilson Library databases. If you have more questions, contact your friendly Lindsey librarians.